Good evening. I will be doing my final reflections project. My name is Stanley Ross, and this is going to be my final reflection project. The first question, the standard that I chose was analyst, and how did you work in the course to prepare you to continually improve your practice by learning from and with others and exploring improving and promising practice that leverage technology to improve student learning? When utilizing the different tools that were provided, these tools open the doors for digital learning so that students could work together, interact, and challenge each other using Web 2.0 tools such as Kahoots, podcasts, and YouTube. I can collaborate with other colleagues to plan lessons that not only are engaging for students but also can cover different content areas to allow students to experience learning at deeper levels. Through field experience, I met with teachers who utilize a technology program called Seesaw to stay in contact with parents, allowing parents to access students' learning through the day and even allowing teachers to be co-collaborators with the app. Using the form of technology allows them as an educator to co-collaborate students learning with parents and colleagues. The next standard that I used was Learner. And the question was, how did you work in this course to prepare you to seek out opportunities for leadership to support student empowerment and success and to improve teaching and learning? Two pieces of coursework that can be used in the classroom are being first is Visio, and which is a tool that allows engagement of different. As a teacher, you can create quizzes and polls, use videos, have discussion questions, and even collect feedback. This website will allow the teacher to increase student engagement and even allow the teacher to reflect on the course and coursework by collecting data and feedback from via the students. Also, Kid Blocking, which is designed for the younger learners, those in elementary and middle school. Kid Block follows the structure of an online college course where students have access to tools to help them participate in discussions within their classroom community, publish posts similar to that of an online blog, and participate in learning via one another's blog posts. Teachers maintain control of the students' blogs. This is a safe and effective way to allow students not only access to learning from the teacher, but also allows peer-to-peer learning by allowing students access to one another's individual and unique blogs, classroom posts, and discussion prompts. These are two resources that allows me as an educator to leverage technology to improve student learning. The next one standard that I used was a facilitator, and the question was, how did your work in the course prepare you to inspire students to positively contribute to and responsibly participate in the digital world? This course allowed me an ability to learn about different resources and tools that I can use in my classroom to inspire students learning while giving them access to the tools to do so safely and effectively. The assignment allowed me to experience each of the resources I could use in the classroom and taught me how to navigate the technology so I can later use it within my room. Under the facilitator standard, as educators under the ISTE standards, we are to manage the use of technology and student learning strategies in digital platforms, virtual environments, hands-on maker spaces, or in the field. And the course has allowed me to the ability to learn how to utilize technology and digital platforms. Using technology in classroom also helps to foster a culture where students take ownership of their learning goals and outcomes in both independent and group settings through sites like KidBlog, Blogster, and Weebly. Under the creative standard as educators, we are to create, mentor, model, and promote the use of technology in a safe way. And this course helped me learn how to lay that foundation. The next one, which is called collaborator. The question was, how did your work in this course prepare you to dedicate time to collaborate with both colleagues and students to improve practice, discover, and share resources and ideas and solve problems? By implementing technology in the classroom, I can collaborate with colleagues and students in a different way than just feedback on assignments and tests or simple planning of lessons. The discussions allow me to experience to collaborate and give feedback to other educators, which is something that I will be doing with fellow staff members once hired for a teaching position. Under collaborative standard 4A through 4D, educators are to dedicate time to collaborate with both colleagues and students to improve practice, discover and share resources and ideas and solve problems by sitting in on different team meetings. I was able to see how teachers can use technology to collaborate via technology and how they use different technology resources to share ideas and work together to problem solve curriculum lessons as well as behavior problems. The next standard that was chosen was leader. The question was, how did you work in the course that allow you to design authentic learner-driven activities and environments that recognize and accommodate learner variability? There are many there are many different learning styles for adults and students. This course taught me different ways to use technology to access each of these types of learning styles. The resources I learned about in the course showed me how to utilize technology in a way that all learners can learn and contribute in a way that is on their ability level, allowing them to create assignments that are geared towards learners and their ability. Technology can also be used within the classroom to help support the ability level of learners. I saw one teacher utilize technology for her high students while she kept her middle and low performing students on the carpet for a more of a small group setting use of technology. The next slide would be technology in the classroom, and the question was, how did you how did your work in the course allow you to facilitate learning with technology to support student achievement of the ISTE standards for students? This course showed me different types of technology and resources I can use in my room to support student achievement that align to the ISTE standards for students. One example of this is Weebly, where students can create a portfolio of their work online, which can help them be more successful in the classroom. Weebly also provides alternative ways for students to showcase their learning. Assessments and another example, formative and summative assessments can be completed online in different ways, allowing students the ability to show what they know via projects, blogs, vlogs, PowerPoint, posters. The final and last slide also is technology. How did your work in this course allow you to understand and use the data driven to drive the instruction and support students in achieving their learning goals? During observation of teachers, I learned how teachers use data to help guide their instruction for different types of groups, such as small groups, independent workstations, and technology groups. This data helped teachers know where to place students on the technology platform they were using. This course showed me different types of platforms I can use on top of what I saw being used within the classroom as well to help support students' learning goals. In the course, when we had to use a spreadsheet to analyze and look at data to answer questions. This is something an educator would have to do monthly, if not weekly, analyze different types of data in order to plan successful instruction to address learning goals. Technology is a tool that we can use to accommodate to meet students' needs and abilities. We can give quick feedback and provide opportunities for them to retry. We can allow assessments to be completed online and in different formats, allowing students to show knowledge on subjects in different ways. Thank you. That is the end of my final presentation project.